Hello from IUCB. Today I'll be briefing you about the PCOD. The PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease. Polycystic ovarian disease is the most common disease nowadays in our younger generation. That will be having 10 to 12 symptoms which I'll be briefing you now. The first one is irregular or unpredictable cycles. The cycles will be either very long or very short, it should come, normally it should come within 28 to 30 days. It may extend up to 45 days or it may come within 20 days. This is the unpredictability the PCOD will be causing. The next symptom will be heavy bleeding or scanty bleeding. Like the normal menstruation, either it should be for 3 to 5 days. It will become either scanty for the one day or it might extend up to 7 to 8 days. This is also the very important symptom. The next symptom is the acne. The acne will be unanswerable in PCOD. Whatever treatment you take, it will be getting failed because of the hormonal imbalance polycystic ovarian disease is causing. The pimples will not get cured by any of the treatments. That is also the primary symptom. The next symptom is excessive body hair. The body hair will be growing uncontrollably in PCOD, and the scalp hair, male pattern baldness, we call this. That will be the very common symptom of PCOD. Then the difficulty in getting pregnant. The conception will be very unpredictable in PCOD. Some people with PCOD also they might conceive, but in most of the cases, because of abnormal ovulation, the pregnancy gets postponed or it will be highly difficult. Then, then comes the very primary and most disturbing symptom of PCOD, that is obesity. The unanswered weight gain, the unanswered weight loss, whatever you do, there will be unpredictable weight gain or water retention will be causing the weight gain. All these are the symptoms of PCOD. Then the darkening of the skin or pigmentation in neckline, particularly in the neckline, the skin becomes very dark and thick. It's the primary symptom of PCOD. We can rule out in the very initial stage. Then the sleep disorders. Either you'll be sleeping excessively or you'll not be sleeping at all. This is the primary symptom. And also depression, confusion, concentration deficits. All these are the symptoms of PCOD. Now we came to know what PCOD looks like. And now I'll be telling you what PCOD is. The PCOD is the symptom of the ovaries, which will come on the ovaries. Will be having uterus with 2 ovaries, isn't it? One ovary will be functioning each month to release 1 egg, which helps in further conception. What happens in PCOD is the ovaries get swollen and it will be having abnormal features like collection, and the same way pimple happens on your face, it happens on the ovaries. It will be having some collection of the fluid. What does that acne or the pimple does to the ovary is, when the egg releases, this blocks the passage which will pass the ovum or the released egg into the ovarian tube where the fertilization happens. There occurs the problem. This is the PCOD. So what causes PCOD? That is the next thing we have to think about. The bad lifestyle nowadays our kids are getting into, like eating habits, abnormal eating habits, like eating junk all the time and eating not by time, not by the call of the nature. They'll be suppressing hunger or they'll be eating excessively or not exercising regularly. This is also like morbid lifestyle is also very much cause of the PCOD. Then not getting enough sleep. Either our kids will be sleeping till late morning, till afternoon, or they'll be awakened all the night. All these things will definitely contribute and disturb the circadian cycle, which is primarily the thing which will help us to have the normal menstruation. Then again, the junk food is the very primary symptom of which is the direct cause of the PCOD. It will help them to have much of glucose and oily food, which will contribute the weight loss or weight gain, which are not very predictable during the hormonal imbalance. See, these has to be corrected. And also we from Ayur Siddhi, we have certain Ayurvedic measures which are time tested since 20 to 25 years from us. We have certain packages like PCOD kits which will help you to detoxify yourself first. Why detoxification? Because of all the lifestyle problems, you'll be accumulating most of the toxins inside the body, which will help your glands to block the normal secretions so that the hormonal imbalance takes place. So we'll be clearing all those toxins and stimulating all the glands so that the normal secretions come to its normal pace, so that your normal health comes to a limit where you can correct your all the secretions from the glands. This we can do with the help of first detoxification followed by Ayurvedic measures, which will help you to correct your ovulation and also normal menstruation. So if you want to avail these services, you can contact us on our given email ID or through our phone numbers. Thank you.